At the International Forum of Agricultural Robotics, the Ukrainian startup Beetless unveils a device that uses natural scents to attract and kill invasive insects.
To do it more naturally, to avoid pesticides and harmful chemicals that are harmful both to human health.
The Xi'an, China-based company MQ is introducing an autonomous pesticide spraying robot.
Some vineyard or orchard is very narrow, so this machine can suit for many different kind of vineyard or orchard.
The process of lettuce thinning traditionally is done with this amount of manpower, but Indian company Niqo Robotics believes all that's needed is their computer vision-driven device.
It's able to move at a relatively high speed, and it's able to identify what's a lettuce, what's a weed, and not only that, figure out which lettuce do you keep and which lettuce do you kill.
One thing that technology companies that are trying to break into the farming industry have to realize that it's a long sell. There's a lot of trust that has to be built.
With gadgetry on display that at times look like something out of a sci-fi movie, we sought the opinion of farmer Craig Rogers from Indiana, who diligently inspects an AI-driven crop sprayer.
They're pushing more and more AI. It's going to help every farmer out there. The biggest part of it that we're going to have to get over the hurdle, especially for the Midwest guy, is the trust that a computer can see better than me driving.
This brand new tractor is from New Holland. It has autonomous features developed by the Israeli company Blue White. It can mow, spray, or navigate on its own. But Blue White CEO tells me he realizes not every farmer's going to want to go out and buy a brand new vehicle. This once ordinary used tractor has been equipped with Blue White's AI-driven software and hardware to make it intelligent and autonomous.
We're transforming those tractors from a manned operation to the ability to be operated by men remotely. One person operating a fleet of vehicles in his farm, meaning that they can do it now without investing in buying a new vehicle.
Automation is also arriving at orchards. Advanced Farm gives us a first look at their prototype robot picker.
Our machine picked 43,000 apples in a 24-hour period with 6 robotic arms. That's 7,000-ish successful picks per robotic arm in the course of a day. And I'm not sure that there's any tech in any sector in the entire world that's doing that with robotic arms. And the secret there is that we're using a stereo camera on the end effector. We're taking about 30 frames per second to understand where the apple is and to change our path to the apple in an optimal way.
When asked how this could impact jobs, Cobb merely says the ag industry needs help now.
Everywhere in the world, growers are really struggling with labor. And if you look at any specialty crop category, about 50% or more of the cost structure is represented by harvest labor costs.
Advanced Farm says the robot picker isn't perfect, still too many apples missed and dropped. But it's adapting and learning every day how to better imitate the human touch.